What I'm doing this morning is I'm going to add a bit more of this polyfibre stuff to this. I did have it thinned out, but you could see the wire through it. I suppose I could get some thinner wire, but this is what I had. So anyway, I'm going with that. So this is the flames to go and the smoke to go on the down plane. But I want to thicken it up a little bit, and I'll just add that to it. It's all I do with this stuff. Just tease it out so it's not so clumpy. I find this is a lot better. It's a stronger structure than cotton wool. Cotton wool, when it gets wet with the paint, tends to go clumpy. I went down and actually bought this polyfibre. I did buy a teddy from our local dogs charity, Sarah, off Kirkleatham Lane in Redcar, with the intentions of pulling it apart to get the fibre stuffing out for 10 bob, but I didn't have the heart to do it. Silly old fool. So I went to the local boys store and bought a bag for the fibre. And all I'm going to do is thread it on there. I thought I had enough for this bit, but obviously not. There's no rhyme or reason to this. It's like painting the sea. The wind's blowing, it's going everywhere. And what I have done, I've give the wire a coat of flat matte black. I'll put that on it, not much to see. So what I'll do is I'll go and give that another spray now. And you can see you don't need much for the flames and things when you think that's going to go on the exhaust pipes on the side of the Messerschmitt. And that's that for now. There we go. I'll give that a bit of a spray. Just let it dry, then I'll attach it to the plane on the diorama and take a couple of pictures for you to have a look at. Let's pop you in that extremely expensive phone boom. Sorry, camera boom. Because for some reason when it's laid flat, the bleeding thing won't press play. So I'm just going to add this to that, and I would think there's going to be quite a bit of swearing. Look away, Martha. I'll just get a bit of hot glue on there. Clag that on there. And what I'm going to do, once it takes, don't do this at home, kids. Wet your finger a little bit and just dab it on. Couple of ticks, and there we have it. Stuck while I'm here. I'm just going to clag that bit of propeller blade on. It got snapped off on impact. Probably like that. And there's a wheel somewhere. God knows where that's gone. Luckily the spares in the kit. I'll paint one up and add that to it. the other one doesn't turn up. There we are, just tease that out a little bit, tease that back in, get the flames round. Let's pull it apart best you can. And there we are. So what we'll do, we'll check it out of this thing. There you get the effect. What I'll do is I'll pull that into that bit there and blob of glue, and then probably add a bit more red and orange paint on there just to up that side. But I don't know how to display it yet because I've got to get the other planes on. But I thought if I lift it up at an angle, that might be better. What do you think? Let me know in the comments and that. It's nice to get a bit of feedback. Usual things, like, share, press the buttons, ring the bells.